Alright, y'all. What going on, man? As y'all can see, I got my mansion right there with my chair sitting beside me. Man, everything going smooth. Got upstairs right here. Got my upstairs room right there. Man, I couldn't be more happier, man. But what we gonna do, dog ass nigga? We gonna do this here. We gonna cook today. We finna make some dumbfounded potato stuffed MeatRoll. Well, we're gonna make one of them, just one big one. Got the potatoes on the right side, or it depends on how your screen is, the left. Where my thumb at, that's pulled pork. But I don't eat pork for right now. So we just gonna use the potatoes and throw the pork out. Let's get to it, Racker. Get this damn grill going. Today I got Crisco oil. Well, vegetable oil. It's not Crisco, that's name brand. I just got regular vegetable oil. I would have liked to have olive oil or like coconut oil because I'm gonna use some of this in the meat, but I'm on a tight budget, so we gotta use what we got. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Let me get this grill going. I'll be back at you in a little bit. I don't know, y'all. Seem like this vegetable oil work better than the olive oil. But olive oil supposedly is the most healthier. But man, this vegetable oil catching. So yeah, y'all can save money like that. If you got old oil, you know, my grandma used to save a lot of old oil from when she used to fry chicken. You can use that oil for the grill, man, to get the charcoal going. Instead of buying lighter fluid. Let's get to it. I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we got a good fire going. Man, that vegetable oil worked wonders. But now we're about to dump the turkey meat inside of the bowl. We're gonna mix. We're gonna put this to the side. So we're gonna throw a little vegetable oil in here, and we're gonna crumble up some bread. And we're gonna kind of like grind the meat up with the bread and the oil. And then once we get everything mixed properly, then we'll roll the potatoes up inside of it with a few bags of these spicy chips. You know, I got a few bags. You know, we just trying something, man. Today is Saturday. So this is like therapy for me, man. When I want to just find something to do and stay away from toxic people, get on the grill. Go in the backyard. Plant your bare feet in the grass. Have your music playing. Kick it with your wife. Kick it with your old lady. Hell, kick it with your kids, man. You ain't always gotta be around these bozo ass niggas, man. Come on, bro. These dumbfounded dudes, bro. I'll get back with you in a little bit. Let me mix everything up. We're mixing everything up. I got the bread in here. I got the oil in here. And we just giving everything a mix for about 10-15 minutes. And then we'll roll it out and wrap it up with the chips and the potatoes. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, y'all, we got the turkey. Pardon me, we got the dumbfounded turkey pressed out, squared up. So we finna throw the spicy potatoes in here first. Right? Get that a good push. These are kind of thick too. Look like they pretty good. We'll see at the end. So it's like potatoes. I can see they got some peppers in here, tomatoes, you know, a little spice. Now we're gonna go with the chips. We're gonna sprinkle this in here. Like I said, we just trying something, man. I'm off today. I ain't gotta go to work, bitch. You know, I ain't gotta go kick no supervisor butt for a raise today, so we're gonna put this in here. We got 3 bags of those. Got this loud ass, dumb ass train, man. Fuck yeah. I'll be back at y'all in a little bit, but we got 2 more bags of chips. I'm finna crunch up in this and we're gonna wrap it. Be back at y'all in a little bit. This dumb ass train, man. Alright, y'all, we got this thing wrapped, man. So now all we gotta do is just fold it open in this aluminum foil and throw this guy on the grill, cause we got a good smoke going. I just thank Black Jesus, man. Let's get to it. All right, let's see how it's doing. Okay, the meat roll, the turkey, the dumbfounded turkey meat roll. Seems like it's doing all right. Let's handle the business. I'll holler at you in a little bit. All right, y'all. The meat roll is done. As y'all can see, we got a good crisp on now. So right here, we got these little cups that we get from Racetrack or Quick Trip. We got some tomatoes and pickles right here. Damn, I got some cheese on my hand. We got the cups of cheese. We got 2 cups of cheese. Now this the dressing right here. These 2 cups of cheese, and we got the sriracha ranch dressing. That we're gonna put on here. We're gonna spread it all over here. We're gonna make us like 4 or 5 slices. And then we're gonna do a taste test, man. We're gonna taste test my own self. Let's get to it, stinky bitch. I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, what's going on, pimpin'? I done spreaded all the sauces on the damn dumbfounded potato stuffed turkey meat roll. You got the veggies sitting on the side right here. The pickles and everything. You got this right here. I done cut a slice. We gonna do a taste test on myself, man. Here we go. Let's get to it. God damn it. Look here, man. Y'all know them Cheetos and them Doritos, there's some hard, crunchy chips. But look here, boy. Look here. I'm finna show y'all something. Them motherfucker got soft up in there, bro. Let me take this shit again. Black Jesus, I thank you, man. Just did one little meal alone last me 3 days, bro. This shit thick. Everything intertwined with each other. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna toot my own horn. A 1 out of 10, I give myself a 5.5. Why? Because I ain't had no olive oil, man. I ain't had the right type of seasonings. But we made this shit do what it do, man. And this shit, I ain't gonna lie, it turned out alright. Alright. It turned out alright. We got the pickles right here. Look at this. Let me taste this. Lovely, man. Lovely. The sweet part about that is I got those for free from the racetrack or the Quick Trip gas station. Feel me? This shit thick, bro. Look at this shit. How thick this shit is. And that's the rest of it. This one little piece right here, bro, will hold me for the whole night. And I got like 3 more slabs of this shit. That's like 2-3 days worth of food. Come on, let's quit playing. Black Jesus, I thank you, man. I thank you. Let me get out of here. I'm too busy eating.